The judge presiding over the James Gyakye Quayson's trial has warned there will be examination of prosecution's first witness, Richard Takyi-Mensah, on Monday if his lawyers are not present. This follows the court's decision to refuse a request by lawyers of the accused to adjourn the case to October or November. There is more in this report.
On Friday, lawyers of the accused were expected to conclude cross-examination of prosecution's first witness. However, his lawyers were not present, as the lawyer on record, Assin North, wrote to the court notifying the judge of a 3-day medical excuse given to him by his doctor. Based on that, he requested for the case for Friday be adjourned, but added in the letter that the case be adjourned to a period after the legal break, which will end in the first week of October. He explained that his client, Gyakye Quayson, will not be available during the legal break, as he will be out of the jurisdiction for medical attention. He also indicated that Chachikata will not be available within the same period. Deputy Attorney General Alfred Chianyebua, who sympathized with Mr. Terwaja on his medical condition, supported the request for adjournment of Friday's proceedings, but opposed the request for the return date to be scheduled for a period after the legal break. He notified the court that agreeing with the defense would be unfair to the prosecution. Mr. Chianyebua pointed out to the court that the witness gave his evidence in chief on July 12, 2022, and it's been well over a year, but the accused is yet to complete his cross-examination. He prayed the court to rather adjourn the case to Monday, July 31. Gyakye Quayson, who was asked to address the court on the matter, urged the judge to grant the request of his lawyers to enable him attend to his medical needs, but the judge declined the request. She adjourned the case to Monday, July 31, with a caution that the cross-examination of prosecution witness 1 will be continued by the Assin North Member of Parliament if his lawyers are not available on Monday, July 31. Deputy Attorney General Alfred Chianyebua addressed the media after proceedings.
I made a point that the witness has been in the box for over 1 year. It would be unfair to ask such a witness to come back next year to continue being the witness for him to cross-examine. That's why we made a prayer. Fortunately, we have one more day for the court to see before the year ends. So on Monday, we'll come to court. The cross-examination has to be finished so that we take a date for the other witness to come in.
Meanwhile, the High Court has set October 19 to deliver a ruling on a contempt case brought against Adansi Asokwa Member of Parliament, K.T. Hammond, head of NDC Legal Affairs, Abraham Amaliba, who represented Gyakye Quayson, addressed the press after proceedings.
Today we are back in court, and the court has stated that we should file written addresses. He doesn't want oral submissions. We should file our written addresses on the 31st of August, but return to court on the 19th of October for the ruling.
The respondent, K.T. Hammond, who was absent in court, later addressed the press on what accounted for his absence.
No, but I was misinformed. I was told that the hearing was at 11:30.
Yeah, it actually took place at 9.
No, you got it wrong. I'm told that it was sometime past 10 o'clock. So, but my lawyers were there.
Yes.
My understanding is that it's been adjourned to October, sometime
19.
October.
So first, you have up until 31st to file the processes.
Oh, you know all this?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay.
We questioned Amaliba on why they picked you, because a lot of
Katie,
people
I want to always be a target. You do know that. Good afternoon.